outfit of the day. I'm wearing this hat. Let me see if I can get it a little closer so you can see it. This hat is by Scoop, which is a brand by Walmart. I love these earrings that I'm wearing. Let's see if I can get in on those for you. They just have a simple ball, a diamond ball that adorns them. I'm wearing this sweater, coat, or cardigan by Eloquii. Some black pants. They're like a legging, but they're a little looser than a traditional legging. A black tee, and these boots by Scoop. Let me see if I can get in a little closer on the detail. These Scoop boots are again by Walmart, and what I love is the back has a little opening, so if you are a larger calf girl, they work well for you. And that, my darlings, is the outfit of the day. So I'm about to go ahead and get the day started, so if you're interested in seeing what's coming next, just keep watching. Let's go. Hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I'm hoping that you're having a great day. My name is Martina Parker, and if you're on this channel, you're going to see things like lifestyle, home decoration, decor, organizational skills, beauty, a little bit of fashion. We just a hodgepodge of fun over here. So welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a luxury unboxing. Yes, a luxury unboxing. So if you've been following me and you've had an opportunity to watch the Vlogmas about luxury fails, you'll understand how I can afford this item. So what I've done is with luxury fails, I try to sell as many of the fails that I have, and then I take that money and I repurpose it for something else. And this something else just literally came up out the blue. I was on Tradesy. I'm a seller myself on Tradesy, and one of the Tradesy sellers that I follow posted these boots, and literally I went crazy. So I have been looking all fall for the perfect white boot for me. I didn't want something that is so trendy that I didn't think it would work into my lifestyle. I didn't want something that was so edgy that I had to only style it one way. I didn't want something so contemporary that it would go out of style fairly quickly. So I was looking for more classic color, classic shape, classic design, classic fashion house. And I found it. So I'm so excited to be able to share these boots. I called Bay. I was like, hey, I found this. And he was like, go for it. You've been wanting it for a long time. And I am so super excited to be able to share this luxury unboxing with you. So without further ado, let's go. This is the fashion house that I'm going to be talking about today. And so most of you all that are luxury files such as myself know this brand fairly well. This is Chanel. I love their simple black packaging. I love the camellias. The seller was selling the boots brand new, unused condition, in the original box with the original packaging, which always makes me happy, at an enormous deal. I bought these boots for less than half price, so I am so excited that I was able to repurpose my funds for these boots. So inside this box are the short boots that they call them, and I have them in the white and black color. They were $1,100 at Barney's, New York, and so I got them from a Tradesy seller for a significant savings. In Chanel, I'm normally a 31 and a half, but I had tried these boots on before. I knew how I wanted to wear them, and I wanted to definitely wear them with socks, and I went up 2 sizes. Normally I would only go up 1 size, but I went up 2. I wanted a 40 and a half. They didn't have that. They only had the 41, so that's what I got, and I am so in love. So let's get into the unboxing. So of course, with the traditional Chanel, it comes with dust bags for both shoes. And so the dust bags look like this. Just simple cotton bags with the Chanel logo on them. Chanel loves packaging, so it's lots of paper and tissue in here. And then this is the boot. Okay. This is the boot. She is so beautiful. As you can see, she is pearl white. I mean white. I wasn't looking for a white with a gray undertone. I wasn't looking for a white with a neutral tone. I really wanted pearl white because I knew exactly how I wanted to style them, and they needed to be white. And they have a fabric heel and a fabric cap toe. And I love the Chanel logo that is just stitched on the cap toe. I've seen these boots where the Chanel logo is either in chain or is outlined in a different thread color, and that just didn't appeal to me. I just felt like that would be too trendy and that it may not last. But with the simple stitching, I just feel like this will stay in my wardrobe for a long time, if not forever, because this is a very sensible heel and I'll be able to walk in that heel for a long time, especially with socks and them being a little bigger. This is going to be a super comfortable shoe. So I am going to style this, and you'll start seeing some postings of how I would style it on my Instagram, and then I'll do a video at the end of the year with all my fashion of the year recap, because I know I'm going to wear these to death before the end of the year. So you'll see them featured in that post as well. So I am so happy. I love this pearl white leather. I love that this is fabric as well as this, so that they're easier to clean and maintain. Normally, if you're going to buy a luxury shoe, where your shoe will get the most beating will be around the toe box, and it will definitely be in the heel. So because the toe box and the heel is black, I just feel more confident that these will look new way longer than they normally would if they were all leather. So I am super excited about this unboxing. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate all the support doing Vlogmas. Take care. See you next time.